All right, welcome folks to Intro to Law. My name is Professor Hosmanic, and I have with me here Professor Dayton. And we are on site at the Manchester Trout Hatchery, Manchester, Iowa, and the Spring Branch Trout Stream. We got together today to do a little fishing and to debut the class. So Professor Dayton, can you tell us a little bit about the gear that you brought today?
Sure. I brought everything that's essential for visiting a trout hatchery. My binoculars, of course, to see the trout. I've got the mask because of coronavirus concerns, and then the grizzly bear epidemic has really exploded in Iowa. So I do have my grizzly bear counter assault.
Counter-assault. Yeah, it's only for defensive purposes, right? We'll learn about self-defense in Chapter 8, Criminal Law today. So we're coming into the fall 2020 semester. It's a semester unlike any that I can remember. There are about 600 of you guys online, which is different in some ways, although 300 of you would have been online in a normal semester. But we're not going to be meeting with you in person, which is different, and I can honestly say I wish I did get to see you guys Tuesdays and Thursdays, but you're going to get your fill of us on video, I'm pretty sure. So I have a number of recorded lecture videos that you'll be watching, but then our plan is also to give you joint updates every week for the class. So hopefully you are doing well, you're getting moved in, or you've been moved in, you're getting set with your classes. We also have 4 excellent teaching assistants, which we'll introduce to you in a later video. And if you have questions about the class, just please let us or them know. But otherwise, should we go fishing?
Sounds great.
All right, let's go fishing. We'll see you guys soon. Okay, we're out here today with Professor Michael Dayton, and he's going to give us just a little short background on his career and what brought him here today.
Thanks, Andy. My name's Mike Dayton. I am a corporate attorney in Des Moines, Iowa. Corporate attorney means, maybe you've never heard of us, but we don't see the inside of a courtroom ever. Never do anything, litigation or trial. Just deal with businesses. So helping businesses, buy and sell businesses, any sort of issues that come up, legal issues that come up with a business entity. Been in Des Moines and practicing at Nyemaster Goode for 14 years now. So I've seen a lot of stuff. Nyemaster is a fairly big firm, so I'm able to specialize in some things like mergers and acquisitions and working with contracts and insurance law. Personally, I love teaching, love coaching, love leadership, hang out with my wife and my daughters as much as I can, and I certainly enjoy the outdoors, which is why Professor Hosmanic and I are here.
Thanks very much. Looking forward to teaching with you this semester.
Same. This is Mike Dayton. I'm here with Andy, Professor Hosmanic, a lovely, lovely trout stream up in Manchester, Iowa. And Andy's going to tell you a little bit about himself.
Hey guys, nice to see you. So I, along with Professor Dayton, will be your professor for Intro to Law. I am a 3-time graduate of the Tippie College of Business, have my BBA, my MBA, and my PhD in Management and Organizations. Also, like Mike, I have a law degree. I practiced at 2 different firms in Iowa and then started my own firm in 2013. Mainly do corporate and sports law at this point in my career. In the past, I've done litigation, trials, and appeals as well. So I've had a little bit of every kind of experience, from small firms to a larger firm for Iowa City, and now a firm that I've started myself. I also teach classes here on ethics, negotiations, performance management, and other topics. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you guys this year, and I'm glad we're able to come out here today and tape a little intro video in this beautiful location.
Thanks.
All right.